Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your taxes late. First, it's crucial to distinguish between filing late and paying late. While an extension gives you more time to submit your paperwork, it does not extend the deadline for paying any taxes you owe. Both late filing and late payment can result in penalties, so understanding these differences is your first step to navigating the process correctly and minimizing potential fees. If you need more time to file, you can request an automatic 6-month extension by submitting Form 4868. This typically moves your filing deadline to October 15. Remember, this only extends the time to file, not the time to pay. To avoid a failure to pay penalty, you should estimate and pay any taxes you expect to owe by the original tax deadline. When you file or pay late, you might face two main penalties. The failure to file penalty is 5% of your unpaid taxes for each month or part of a month that your return is late, up to a maximum of 25%. The failure to pay penalty is 0.5% of your unpaid taxes each month. Additionally, interest, currently around 3% annually, accrues on any underpayments. Even if you can't afford to pay your full tax bill, it's crucial to file your return on time or by the extended deadline. Not filing incurs a much higher penalty than not paying. The IRS offers options like an offer in compromise, which allows certain taxpayers to settle their tax debt for a lower amount, or an installment agreement to make monthly payments. Be sure to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.